Chazzy, what's this? It's time for presents. Sit down. Sit down. Here.
You should try and turn a little bit and like face this way though, so that...
Is that good? You can open it. That's it. Rip it open. You can do it. Come on. Want Mommy to help? Rip. 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 What is it? Right here. Oh, Daddy really wrapped that up. Whoa! Ready? One more. Yay! It's a story.
Hold it up, Chaz. What is it?
Please show Daddy. 6 by Seuss. Wow, good stories. How about this one?
Oh, that one's making some noise.
Oh. Oh, wow. Percy at the water tower. Wow. Daddy taped it to the box. Let me rip the box. Show Daddy.
Chaz, what did you get?
Show Daddy. Are we going to put that there? Come on, there's more. There's lots more. I'm getting all the books.
I'm gonna need to take pictures of everyone, alright? Is that okay?
Sure, because we got the video. There we go, buddy. Sit down. Do you want Daddy to come help? What's this?
Chaz, we'll play with the toys later.
What's this? Almost. Right here.
Turn it around. So...
Right here, buddy. Blow. Right there. Blow.
He's doing good on that already, though, right?
Here.
How about this? Chaz, what's this? Another present? It's okay, there's another present. Look, Chaz.
Okay, here, come on. You sit with Mommy?
That's right.
There.
Ball rip.